gentlemen, we are here to celebrate something truly special, the 8th anniversary of Seda Vertis North. Wow, 8 incredible years of hospitality, unforgettable moments, and of course you, our valued clients, our partners and friends who have been with us every step of the way. I am their host for tonight. My name is Tony Pinaro at maraming salamat sa Seda Vertis North for having me once again. Last year, I was able to host their 7th. Akala ko last na yun. Umabot pa pa sa 8 and hopefully I'll be on the 9th as well. So once again, palapakan po natin, ladies and gentlemen, Seda Vertis North celebrating 8 very wonderful years. And before we dive into the night of fun, let's take a moment to acknowledge some of our very important people who are in this room tonight. Please, a round of applause for Ms. Maria Teresa Tirona, External Affairs Officer of the Quezon City Hall. Alam niyo ba, ladies and gentlemen, that 8, the number 8, sino favorite number dito of number 8? For sure, marami. Personally, it's my favorite number. I was born on the 8th of July. Also, the number 8 signifies a lot of things in history and in numerology. Diba? When they say number 8, it's about balance, infinity, ano pa ba? Prosperity and abundance. In the Chinese culture, 8 is about good fortune. Tama ba? Pag 8 daw, mas lucky daw yung 8 na yan. And in the Philippines, when we say number 8, ano ba naiisip natin? Number 8. Now, it holds a very significant place in the Philippines because number 8, they made a song out of it as well. Alam niyo kung anong song? Ocho Ocho. Sir Don, kasample naman ng Ocho Ocho dyan. Yes, it became a hit here in the Philippines, ang Ocho Ocho na game. But tonight, 8 it's different because we're celebrating 8 amazing years here at Seda Vertis North. And to kick things off, let's hear it from someone who has played a huge role in making Seda Vertis North what it is today. So please join me in welcoming our General Manager. Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for Miss Pamela Joy Barnetta. Now that we are in the mood to celebrate, it's time to indulge in a delightful dinner while enjoying the enchanting sounds of Project M music. Now, from their humble beginnings, performing in bars and restaurants, to becoming a sought-after band for major brands and top-tier companies, Project M has been generating audiences for over 12 years with their incredible sound. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the evening. M Acoustics sets the perfect atmosphere for our celebration. My dear friends, our dinner is now served, and enjoy the music of Project M. I'll be back for the rest of the program.